Welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking an exclusive first look at what could be one of the most exciting camper concepts of 2027, the all-new Toyota camper. If you've ever dreamed of combining Toyota's legendary reliability with a luxury home on wheels, then you're in the right place. Sit back, relax, and let's explore every incredible detail of this amazing camper together. From the very first glance, the 2027 Toyota camper makes a powerful impression. The bold front fascia, modern LED headlights, muscular body lines, and premium off-road stance immediately tell you that this isn't an ordinary camper. It's designed for people who love adventure without sacrificing comfort or style. As we move around the exterior, you'll notice the clean, aerodynamic profile. Every curve and panel has been carefully designed to improve efficiency while maintaining a rugged appearance. The matte black accents, large off-road wheels, integrated side steps, roof rack, and durable body cladding give this camper a confident look that's ready for highways, mountains, deserts, or forest trails. One of the most impressive features is the smart storage design. Multiple exterior compartments allow you to carry camping equipment, tools, outdoor furniture, power cables, recovery gear, and much more. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a month-long road trip, you'll have plenty of space for everything you need. Moving toward the rear, you'll notice the full-size spare tire, sturdy ladder, LED taillights, and reinforced bumper. These details aren't just stylish, they're built for practicality. The rear access makes loading gear simple while maintaining a clean, premium appearance. Now, let's step inside. The interior immediately feels warm, modern, and luxurious. Soft ambient LED lighting creates a welcoming atmosphere, while premium wood finishes, elegant cabinetry, and carefully selected materials make the entire space feel more like a luxury apartment than a camper. The living area has been thoughtfully designed for maximum comfort. Comfortable seating surrounds a large dining table that can easily become the perfect place for meals, remote work, family conversations, or relaxing with a cup of coffee after a long day of exploring. Natural light flows through large panoramic windows, making the cabin feel open and spacious. During the day, you can enjoy beautiful views of lakes, forests, mountains, or the ocean without leaving the comfort of your camper. Next, let's take a closer look at the kitchen. This modern kitchen is compact but incredibly functional. It features a sleek countertop, integrated sink, induction cooktop, spacious refrigerator, microwave, and plenty of overhead and lower cabinets for storage. Everything is positioned within easy reach, allowing you to prepare meals comfortably wherever your journey takes you. Imagine waking up beside a peaceful lake, opening the window and preparing breakfast while enjoying breathtaking scenery. That's the kind of lifestyle this camper is built to deliver. One feature that really stands out is the intelligent storage throughout the interior. Nearly every cabinet, drawer, and compartment has been designed to maximize usable space while keeping the cabin clean and organized. This thoughtful layout makes extended travel much more enjoyable. Now, let's move toward the bedroom. The sleeping area offers the perfect combination of comfort and elegance. A large premium mattress, soft lighting, overhead storage cabinets, and large windows create a peaceful environment where you can truly relax after a long day on the road. The warm wood textures combined with indirect LED lighting create a cozy atmosphere that feels inviting both during the day and at night. Whether you're camping in snowy mountains or near a tropical beach, this bedroom provides the comfort of home. Right next to the bedroom is the modern bathroom. Despite its compact footprint, it includes everything travelers need. You'll find a spacious shower with glass enclosure, modern sink, premium fixtures, storage cabinets, ventilation, and a clean, elegant design that makes excellent use of every inch of available space. Having a fully equipped bathroom means greater independence during long trips. You won't need to rely on public facilities as often, making your adventures more comfortable and convenient. Now let's take a look at the driver's cockpit. Toyota has designed a cabin that feels both modern and intuitive. The multifunction steering wheel, large digital instrument display, responsive touchscreen infotainment system, climate controls, and ergonomic seating all work together to create a premium driving experience. The high driving position provides excellent visibility, making it easier to navigate city streets, highways, or challenging off-road terrain. Every control is positioned within easy reach, allowing the driver to remain focused on the road. Technology also plays a major role inside this camper. Depending on the final production specifications, buyers may expect advanced driver assistance features, multiple USB charging ports, wireless connectivity, navigation, smartphone integration, premium audio, and intelligent energy management systems for life on the road. For travelers who enjoy extended camping, efficient power management is essential. Modern campers are increasingly equipped with lithium battery systems, solar charging capability, inverter technology, and smart monitoring systems that allow you to stay off-grid for longer periods without sacrificing comfort. Another major advantage of the 2027 Toyota camper is its versatility. This vehicle isn't just built for weekend vacations. It's designed for digital nomads, content creators, photographers, retirees, outdoor enthusiasts, and families who want the freedom to explore without constantly booking hotels. Imagine driving through scenic mountain roads, parking beside a crystal-clear lake, opening the side door, setting up your outdoor chairs, and watching the sunset while enjoying dinner with your loved ones. Experiences like these are exactly why camper life continues to grow in popularity around the world. The overall craftsmanship throughout this camper reflects careful attention to detail. From the premium cabinetry to the soft lighting, durable flooring, modern appliances, and comfortable furniture, every element contributes to an upscale travel experience. Toyota's reputation for durability also adds confidence for long-distance adventures. Reliability has always been one of the brand's strongest qualities, and combining that heritage with a thoughtfully designed camper creates an exciting package for future travelers. Whether you're planning cross-country road trips, weekend camping adventures, national park tours, or simply looking for a mobile home that offers freedom and flexibility, the 2027 Toyota camper delivers a compelling vision of modern travel. As camper technology continues to evolve, vehicles like this represent the future of comfortable exploration, bringing together smart engineering, stylish design, efficient space utilization, and the ability to experience the world without leaving behind the comforts of home. Thank you so much for joining me on this exclusive tour of the incredible 2027 Toyota camper. If you enjoyed this showcase and would like to see more future campers, luxury RVs, expedition vehicles, and innovative travel concepts, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment below telling me which feature impressed you the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.